Okay, write the equation of the line that passes through point 3 and 2 and is, for part A, vertical line, and for part B it says is a horizontal line. So every time you see write the equation of the line, generally you want to write the equation of the line, which is y is equal to mx plus b, or y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, which is also the general equation of the straight line. The first one, y is equal to mx plus b, is the formula that is called slope intercept. M is the slope, m is the slope of the line, and b is the y-intercept. That's why we call this slope intercept. The other one is known as point slope, because we also know m is a slope and x1 and y1 is the point. I generally like to use y is equal to mx plus b for any problem that says write the equation of the line. But in this example here, we don't really need to use any of these equations, because the line that we are looking for equation is vertical. If it's vertical, we should know that format of the equation of the line that's vertical would be x is equal to some number k. Because if you look at the vertical line, along the vertical line, the position of x is the same. So in this case, if I locate point 3 and 2, on the x-axis, I'm going to move 3 units to the right, and on the y-axis, I'm moving 2 units up on the y-axis. So as you can see, you're looking at the line that is vertical and passing through this given point 3 and 2. So if I draw a vertical line through this point, let's pick another point right below that and maybe another point right above that. So if you look at the point right below that, would be 3 and 0. So that would be the position of the point right below 3 and 2. Notice that the position of x is the same. If I pick a point right above it, would be 3, 3. So notice that the position of the x is 3 for all of them. So if I connect those points together, that's a vertical line. And the equation of that line should be x equal to some number k, and the k would be the point where your vertical line would passes through x-axis. So in this case would be x is equal to 3. So this would be a vertical line that you're referring to, and the equation of that would be x is equal to 3. You may want to pause this session right now and see if you can figure out what would be the equation for the horizontal line, because that would be a very similar concept here. For the horizontal line, you would pick a couple of points along the horizontal line that passes through point 3, 2. So this would be my line. So if you look at a point maybe to the left of 3, 2, a few points we can point at. So you can see that this point would be 1, x position would be 1, y position would be 2, and every point along the horizontal line would have the same coordinate for the y-axis. So you can see the equation of that would be y is equal to some number. That number would be the number that your line passing through y-axis, in this case, would be 2. So for part A, your answer would be x is equal to some number, in this case x equal to 3. For part B, your equation would be y is equal to some number, and that number is 2. So this is how you would write the equation of the line, which is horizontal or vertical. If it's not horizontal or vertical, then we have to use one of those equations I showed you earlier. If I give you another point instead of 3 and 2, let's pick another point. If I want to know, write the equation of the line that passing through, let's pick a point 2 and 4. Okay. Now would be a good time that maybe you can pause the session, see if you can write the equation of the line that passing through point 2 and 4 and is vertical and when is horizontal. So first you want to locate the point 2 and 4, which right above here. That is the position. X position is 2, Y position is 4. And you can draw the vertical and horizontal line and just look and see where that line intercepts. For part A, we should have x is equal to some number, and that number we said would be the line that passes through x-axis. In this case would be also 2. In this case, it passing through point 2. Before was my line, vertical line was passing through point 3, now it is 2. So instead of writing x equal to 3 like we did last time, the equation of the line that is vertical and then passing through point 2 and 4 then would be x is equal to 2. Similarly, for the line that passing through the point 2 and 4 and it is horizontal, now the horizontal line that passing through point looks like it's 4 on the y-axis. So y is equal to 4 would be the equation of the line that passing through point 2, 4 and is horizontal. So you can use this method here to write the equation of the horizontal and vertical lines when the point that the line passing through is given to you.